Hi, and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets, for Monday, the 20th of January. The steer for cable chart overnight is going to be from this Chinese GDP data, with the US still on public holiday for Martin Luther King Day, so the Europeans are now in charge of this one pretty much all day. And what we're going to be looking for, I think, today is certainly. I mean, you had this bounce on Friday that pretty much muddied the waters of this top pattern that we'd seen in place that could still be undergoing, but I think you're still looking at this resistance from this high from the 14th of January at 164.63, and also the top of that possible head and shoulders top pattern, the right hand shoulder of that top at 165.17. So these levels still remain intact despite this sharp move higher that we saw on Friday. It does. This one is an interesting one. It's sort of middle of the range whether it's going to move and complete this top or not. And certainly, I think we're still waiting for this one to play out. If you look on the intraday chart, you've got this resistance band I told you just now about 164.63. That actually held on Friday from the spike. That's the spike on the back of those strong retail sales figures that we saw on Friday, and that $1.64.63 level has held. And it's as I said, this one's still playing out, and I'm a little bit I personally would be a little bit inclined to stay on the sidelines for this one until we see a decisive break either way, because I think due to that strong data, and the cable is still having to find its feet once more on a technical basis, and that with the lack of data out today, this gives it a bit of a chance maybe. So maybe today we'll get a bit of a resolution as to whether this top pattern is still going to play out on the daily chart. But on the hourly chart, that's the level you need to be looking out for, 164.63, and the support that was found in Asian trading hours at 163.94 is the level on the downside on the immediate basis anyway. So watch out for that today. Tune in again to look at our trading ideas for euro dollar, dollar yen, gold, and also our chart of the day, which today is euro sterling. And I hope to speak to you all again soon.